Welcome to the world of fabrication-level modeling. Here, BIM models evolve from simple designs to models ready for fabrication magic. Imagine detailed connections, steel bolts, plates, reinforcement, and even MEP spool modeling, all precisely crafted. Tools like Tekla Structures, Autodesk Revit, and Advanced Steel help create models that match real manufactured parts. It's like building the pieces of a puzzle, but every piece fits perfectly. Next stop, shop drawing generation. Fabricators pull up shop drawings straight from BIM models, making life easier. You get steel fabrication drawings, bar bending schedules, MEP spool layouts, and precast panel drawings, all ready for action. With Tekla Structures and AutoCAD, workshops receive crystal clear instructions. It's like handing out the recipe for a perfect build. Let's get digital. Modern workshops connect BIM models directly to machines. Think CNC steel cutting, automated rebar bending, robotic welding, and precast molding, all happening seamlessly. The workflow is simple. BIM model to fabrication data export to CNC production. This boosts precision and cuts down manual guesswork, making fabrication smarter and faster. Say hello to DfMA and modular construction. Fabrication supports design for manufacturing and assembly, with cool examples like PPVC, bathroom units, precast components, and MEP modular racks. Promoted by the Building and Construction Authority, these methods shift work from busy sites to efficient factories. It's factory-level precision, delivered to your construction site. Time to get precise with quantity extraction. Fabrication teams use BIM models to pull exact numbers: steel tonnage, rebar, pipe lengths, panel counts, all calculated for perfect procurement and planning. Tools like Tekla Structures and Autodesk Revit make sure nothing is missed. It's like having a shopping list that always gets the quantities right. Coordination is key. Fabricators team up with other trades to ensure everything fits together on site. From module coordination to installation sequences and spatial checks, tools like Navisworks Manage and Celebri Model Checker help avoid errors. Think of it as choreographing a dance, where every move is perfectly planned. Keep track of every component. Digital platforms monitor production status, factory progress, tagging, and delivery schedules. Autodesk Construction Cloud connects factory output to site installation planning. It's like having a GPS for every piece, ensuring everything arrives exactly when needed. Let's wrap up with the simplified fabrication workflow. From design model to fabrication modeling, shop drawings, CNC production, and delivery to site. It's a streamlined journey. BIM powers the fabrication of structural steel, reinforcement, MEP systems, precast concrete, and modular units. The industry is trending toward digital, automated fabrication, connecting models to smart factories and digital supply chains. Welcome to Construction 4.0 and 5.0, where everything is integrated and efficient.
Okay team, that's a wrap. Go crush your day. Make those ideas happen and keep the good vibes rolling. See you in the next session. Stay bold, stay brilliant.